Mark Lavoie here for Advanced Window Systems. Today we're going to be talking about when you open up your windows and you go to close them and all of a sudden they won't lock. Let's figure this problem out. Come on. Okay, so let's say we just finished cleaning our windows and we're going to close it and lock them. We push up the top and we push the bottom and all of a sudden, they're not locking. So what do? So the problem is what ended up happening is on our top sash and in the frame, we have a top locking sash. So there's a lip here that it locks in place. And the problem is if you just close it up easy, it doesn't go all the way into the frame. And therefore it gives you locking issues. So whenever you have your top sash down, you want to make sure you push up nice and firm on it, so then it'll lock nice and easy.